Hey contrarians, it's Millie Chainham from the Decoding Crypto Team, and welcome back to Crypto in a Nutshell, the series where we turn dense crypto white papers into simple stories you can actually understand. No jargon, no fluff, just the good stuff. Today we're diving into a project that's got me unusually focused, and that's saying something. It's called Masa AI, and it's not just another AI token trying to ride the hype wave. Masa is going after something way bigger. It wants to change how AI is built, and who gets to benefit from it. Here's the problem. Right now, most of the powerful AI models we use or hear about are built behind closed doors. The data comes from us, the public, but the profits? They go to a handful of giant companies. Masa is flipping that on its head. Instead of centralized control, Masa envisions a world where anyone can contribute to AI development and get fairly rewarded for it. This isn't some vague promise. Masa has already launched its mainnet. It's live, active, and listed on multiple exchanges. The protocol lets regular people like you and me participate by doing one of three things. Either by offering computing power, providing useful data, or helping keep the network honest and secure. When you contribute computing resources or valuable data, you're considered a worker. Developers who build AI applications using the network's resources are called oracles. And the folks who make sure no one's cheating and everything's running smoothly, they're validators. It's like a decentralized assembly line, and each role is critical. But here's where it gets clever. To participate, you need to stake tokens. It's like putting skin in the game. If you do a good job, you earn rewards. If you don't, or worse, try to game the system, you risk losing part of your stake. That balance of risk and reward keeps everyone honest. Now stay with me here. I know staking and validation might sound a bit technical, but here's the magic behind Masa. It's all performance-based. The better you do, the less you need to stake. The worse you do, the more you're required to put up to stay in the game. So the whole system constantly encourages people to improve and contribute high-quality work. And that's not just for security, it makes the AI smarter over time. Before we continue, if you're finding this explanation helpful, take a second to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps more curious minds discover what we're doing here on Decoding Crypto TV. Back to Masa. One thing I really love is how the protocol treats data as a shared resource. Let's say you've got access to niche, clean, and useful datasets, like medical data, financial insights, or just super well-labeled language data. If you contribute that, and it helps improve the AI's performance, you get rewarded accordingly. The system is set up so that the best contributions earn the most. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality, relevance, and impact. And the way AI requests are processed is equally fascinating. When someone sends a prompt to the network, like asking an AI to summarize an article, several workers compete to answer. The system then scores each response based on clarity, accuracy, and response time. Only the best gets picked, and that worker earns the reward. It's a constant game of doing your best work, every single time. Now let's talk about governance. Masa uses something called liquid democracy. It means you can vote on important decisions yourself, or delegate your votes to someone you trust. You're not locked in. You can always take your votes back. It's a flexible system designed for people who want a say in how the network evolves, whether they're technical experts or just passionate contributors. And what about security? Masa's got that covered too. The entire economic model, from staking to slashing to rewarding, is designed to make cheating unprofitable. Even if someone tries to act selfishly, they're statistically better off playing fair. That's the power of crypto economics when it's done right. So what does all this add up to? Masa isn't just building another AI tool. It's trying to rebuild the foundation of how AI works. One where power and profit aren't locked in the hands of the few. If this catches on, it could mean a future where AI is more ethical, more transparent, and more accessible to everyone, not just the privileged few in Silicon Valley. And that's what gets me excited. Because if we can decentralize money, if we can decentralize art, why not decentralize intelligence itself? So, fellow contrarians, what project should I decode next? Drop your suggestions in the comments. I read every one of them. And if this breakdown helped you see AI and crypto in a whole new light, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who still thinks AI is just a trend. Until next time, I'm Millie Chainham from the Decoding Crypto Team. Stay smart, stay curious, and stay decentralized.